So their minute is going to be 22, so we'll be 23. And they do need the time card there.
Okay.
Because there's our check-in to time control and then our leave minute.
Okay. I wish these fans could fucking move some more air. Ah, dang it. Alright, ready?
Yes, sir.
What? 23? Alright, we got 20 seconds. God damn it, fucking check engine light came back on. And it's off. Alright.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Give her the beans. 100. Left 6. Right 6. 30. Left 4, 200. Crest 100. Right 5, 50. Left 4 short. Left 5 short. Right 5 long. Left 5 opens, tightens, long. Down into left 6. Right 4, keep mid.
Oh, Jesus, that was close.
Double crest, keep right. Into left 5, tightens 3, opens.
Left 5 tightens 3?
Yes, left 5, tightens 3, opens over bridge.
Hang on.
Right 5 short. Right 5, 30. Right 4 short. Keep left 6 over crest. Right 4 very long. Tightens over crest. Left 5 short into right 5 over crest. Left 3, 100 over crest. Stay mid down into line, 200. Here is our right 6 over crest.
Turn the blower motor on. It's getting hot.
Stay mid down, line 200.
This is just dust coming into the car, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Left 6 into crest, right 5 down long.
Colin was a little bit earlier.
Okay. Left 2, upsy daisy. Right 5 short. Caution, crest into right 4, deceptive. Here's our right 5 short. Caution, crest into right 4, deceptive. Keep left over crest 200. Right 4 over crest. Right 5 into left 5, 100.
Oh. I think we need to mark that a 4.
Right 6 into left 5 short. Right 5 into line 300. Give her some fucking sauce. Right 6 into crest 30. Left 3 opens into chainsaw motherfucking junction.
Left over chainsaw.
Turn left 4, turn left 4. Left 5 narrow, 100. Left 5 narrow, 100. Right 5.
It's getting hard to see.
Left 4 into right 5 over crest.
Right 5 over crest.
Left 4 into right 5 over crest. Left 5 into the fucking ripper, man, 500. You're gonna want to brake before the crest.
I can't see shit. We might have to slow down early.
Yeah. Brake into crest. Right 5 tightens 4 long.
Right 5 tightens 4.
Right 5 tightens 4.